Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth system in this 2015 BMW 5 Series. The first thing we need to do is to make sure that Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth's on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. So on the iDrive, we need telephone, click telephone, and you've got Bluetooth menu. Please pair Bluetooth device, connect further devices in Bluetooth menu. So we'll click Bluetooth menu, add new device. It's got hands-free, that'll probably change to BMW unless it's somebody just going by. Oh right, it was somebody going by. So BMW 96259, here you go, please use your, so yes, that's the one we want. We'll click on that. Bluetooth pairing request, and here, does it match 721177? So we'll click OK there and pair there. It's connecting. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. And there we go, it's connected at the top there. And here you've got ticks in telephone and also audio. So we go down here, click OK. That's it connected.